What's up, guys? Welcome back or to the channel. I know it's been a while. I'm sure a lot of you guys who watch my motorcycle vlogs don't actually watch my other videos, and that's completely fine. I completely understand that, but that's why I'm saying it's been a while. So welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got a little bit of a weird one, and yes, I know, if you guys already read the title, I am not gonna enjoy making this video. I don't enjoy talking about this. I'm not even sure that I should be talking about this, but I am thinking of selling the SV650. I know, you guys are probably thinking I'm crazy. I'm feeling crazy, but not in a good way. And honestly, the reason I'd say that I'm thinking about selling the old SV here isn't because of anything specifically about the bike. The bike rides great. I actually love the bike. I haven't had a bike that I enjoyed this much in a long time, and I feel like I can ride this for another 10 years. But the case is, I want to grow my channel. I want to have more content to make for you guys, and I want to have fresh content to make for you guys. And as you guys can tell, I haven't been making much content lately with the SV. Reason being, I've pretty much done everything on the SV that I pretty much wanted to do, and I have it set up the way I want it, and it rides the way I like. And honestly, I haven't found any other mods or any other things that I want to do to it really right now at the time. So it is kind of dry for content. I don't really have too much to say. I don't really have too many videos to make, because I've done pretty much most of the maintenance videos, and I don't really think I'm going to be going for the airbox mod at the moment. It will increase my power. I will get a little bit more top end, but the thing is, the way I ride it and the streets and the terrain that I ride on, I rarely ever have to open it all the way up. I do, obviously, because it's nice to go nice and fast and open it all the way up, but I rarely need all that power. And whenever I do open it all the way up, I don't ever find myself saying, oh, I wish it was faster. The bike is plenty fast. It's honestly really quick. If you look up the stats, I believe 0 to 60 is like 3.2 seconds, which is supercar levels. Like, this thing is actually really quick, and it's super fun to drive, or ride, I should say. I have no complaints about the bike at all. I have no issues with the bike. It's been running great. It's been riding great. I haven't had any problems with it. So I honestly feel like the next step would be to get a new bike and to get something different for the channel, just so I can make fresh content and new content and give you guys something to see. I don't want to get rid of SV, or Susie I should say. I don't really want to get rid of my SV, but the thing is, I don't have endless supply of money. So I can't go out and buy a whole bunch of motorcycles and let them pile up. I wish I could. I wish I had the space. I wish I had the money, but with where I am right now, I don't really have that ability. So my next thought would be, I would have to replace the SV. So that's why I'm thinking maybe it's time to replace the SV. And I know you guys probably don't want to see the SV go. I don't want to see the SV go. I'm gonna try to see if there's a way I can squeeze another bike in there somehow without getting rid of this one. But if I do, then it's gonna be something smaller, maybe like a Grom, or maybe I can get a DRZ 400, something like that. Something I can actually throw in the back of a truck and take out with me and just go somewhere and go on some new adventures and new rides and bring you guys with me. But the thing is, right now with the SV, other than going on rides, just going on rides and talking like I am now, I don't really know what else to do. And I'm more than happy to make those videos for you guys. I've actually been riding the SV a lot this year. It may seem like I haven't, but I've been riding the crap out of it. And most of the time, I'm just riding and enjoying the ride and just enjoying the scenery and stuff like that. But if you guys want me to take you along for the ride and make just regular riding vlogs of just me commenting on the things I see and just everyday things, just like whatever happens during my ride, I'm more than happy to make those videos for you guys and keep the SV going and just keep shooting those vlogs. But I'm not too sure if that's what you guys are interested in seeing. My channel was built on doing mods and doing things and just teaching people how to maintain their bikes and how to ride their bikes and different things about their motorcycle. So if I was to switch and start doing a little bit of a different vlog, I just want to know if that's something that would interest you guys, or if that's something you guys would watch, because I'd be more than happy to do that. Like I said, I'm not really keen on selling the SV. The SV is actually great. I love this bike. It's a great riding bike. It's got tons of power, it sounds great, it's comfortable. Some people may not agree on the comfort side, but to me it's comfortable. I don't have any issues. I can ride it for pretty much the whole day without having any kind of strain or fatigue on my legs or on my butt. Obviously you do have to get off every now and then, just like any motorcycle, because of the position your legs are in, but that's another story. See, that was like a quarter throttle, maybe even less. She takes off, she rides great. In the city, it's more than enough power to go and have some fun. And I know that if I go take it on the track, I'd probably have more than enough power to have some fun on the track as well. But as you guys can tell, it's no secret, the leaves are changing. It is dawning to the end of the season, and we are basically at the end of our riding season for this year. I am going to be putting the bike away within the next week or two. This is the last day that it was actually in the double digits here in Canada. So today it is 14 degrees, still pretty chilly, but 14 degrees is a heck of a lot better than the 5, 6, and 7 that we've been getting for the past 2 weeks. And it is time to start thinking about putting the bike away, which is what gave me the idea of what am I going to do for next season. Should I keep this bike? Should I put it away? Should I sell it? Should I get something different so I can bring some fresh content to you guys? Like I said, it's no secret, I'm trying to grow my channel. I want to get more content, I want to get more subscribers, and by doing so I'll be able to bring you guys better content and better footage, and I'll be able to add more vehicles to the fleet and bring you guys that much better content. But right now I don't have the ability to keep both bikes. I will try my best to figure out a way and to make it work, but I am thinking of getting something different for the channel. So that's where this part of the video comes in, where I'm asking you guys for your advice and your help. What do you guys think I should do? Should I keep the bike? Should I keep making vlogs for you guys just on riding and things like that? Or should we go forward with it, sell the bike, get something different? And if you guys are wondering, I do have a couple bikes in mind. I don't know exactly what I would get. I don't even know what style of bike I would get. I was thinking maybe a GSXR 750. I was also thinking of the CBR 650F. And I know those are two different types of bikes. One's a sport, one's a super sport. This bike is a sport, so it would be, the 650F would be more in line with this, but it is a full fairing bike, and it has around the same power. So it would be in the same kind of price range, same kind of, yeah, just basically same class of bike. And it is basically something that I've always wanted. I always looked at those bikes and I always loved those bikes. I've always loved the CBR RRs as well. The only thing stopping me from getting a RR or a GSXR is the insurance. Insurance is quite high. On this guy, I pay 80 bucks. $80 a month is peanuts. I can pay the $80 a month. That's why I have no problem riding the SV. I love the SV. It's a great bike. It's cheap. There's no downsides to it. I can't think of one bad thing to say about the bike, really. So if you guys are wondering, then yeah, that's the reason I'm asking you, because I don't want to sell it. I'm asking you because I want to see if there's some content that you guys want to see that we can still do with the SV, or if you guys want to see me get a second bike or something like that. But I'm thinking either, yeah, GSXR 750, maybe the Ninja. I like the new Ninjas, the 600 RRs. I don't know if they're called a 600 RR. I think it's called a ZX6R or something like that. Don't quote me on that. I am not that well versed in Kawasaki's. I don't really know them that well. But like I said, I'm willing to try something new, and I want to go out there and experience something different. And I know that it's going to be a great bike either way. These are awesome bikes. I don't know if it's going to be as awesome as the SV, but I know that I'll be able to find myself a good machine. So the last bike on my list, the one that I actually want the most, is the Ducati Scrambler. And the model, or the version that I was looking at, because they configure those bikes a lot of different ways. You can get them with a ton of different parts and a ton of different styles. The one that I've been looking at is the Desert Sled. And honestly, that thing looks awesome to me. I wish I could pick one up today, but like I said, I'm limited on space and the monies aren't there. So we might have to sell this bike if we're picking up something like a Ducati. But if we're gonna go out and get like a Grom or even a used bike as a second bike, then I would definitely be open to getting something different, and I'm open to your suggestions. So let me know what you guys think, if I should get something different, or if you guys want to see more riding vlogs and just me enjoying the SV and taking you guys on different trips around where I live. But that's pretty much the gist of it. That's pretty much why I'm making this video, and that's all I really wanted to ask you guys. So I know it's a shorter video, I know it's a little bit different of a video, but at least we're making a motorcycle vlog today. Hopefully you guys can help me out. Let me know what you guys want to see on the vlog. Let me know what you guys want me to do with the bike, and I will do my best to make everybody happy, including myself. Get a good couple rips in, nothing too nuts, don't want to get pulled over on the last few days of the season. But I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up for me today, guys. We'll enjoy a little bit more scenery and I'll go out for a little bit more, but I don't want to bore you guys and I don't want to really just keep dragging this video on and talking about nothing. If you guys just want to see regular riding around and just commenting on everything, I'm more than happy to do that. But the reason I haven't been doing it is I don't want to make videos that oh man, I don't know why I can't talk. I don't want to make videos that I would deem boring or I would not want to watch myself. So I'm more than happy to start doing that for you guys. Just let me know. But I think that's going to wrap it up today, guys. I don't want to bore you. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you guys for coming out. I really appreciate all the comments and all of the support you guys give me. If you guys are new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, because trust me, there's going to be more content coming your ways. And if you guys enjoy off-roading and Jeeps, then I definitely have that portion to my channel. I have a Jeep that I've built over the last 2 years, and I've been off-roading the crap out of it, breaking it and repairing it as I go. So if you guys want to see that, then definitely jump onto the channel and browse around. But until next time, guys, thank you for joining me. Hopefully ride safe out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.